Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to use a Hulu app on iOS. So just go to the App Store and write Hulu, then install the app. After that, it will ask you to sign up or log in. I signed up using my email and it gives you a 1 month free trial, and after that month it will start charging you. So you can cancel that through iTunes, but after you make your account, this will show up. So we'll click on choose interests. Then adult animation, choose what you like. Like comedy, if you like comedies, action, sci-fi, if you like it, competitions, I like competitions. And after you choose some, just click on next. Add 5 or more shows. Choose this couple of some of these shows. And after you choose these shows, you will be met with the screen. And then you can start looking around. This is like your suggested page by looking at all. So you can like scroll here for you. You can look at movies. You can look at what's popular right now. These are popular shows or classics, maybe some even. You can scroll, it shows you, recommend stuff basically. So that's TV shows. And here are some movies. The same stuff. News, if you want to look at news, you can look at the news through here. Then there's hubs. I don't exactly know what that is. Oh, it's like certain channels, like the cop channel or cartoon. Alright, and then you can go to my stuff, which is the channels I have added. You can add more by clicking on a show or movie or news or whatever, and add it here. Like a network, so if we're to add a network, we could probably, or news, we could click that and hit play. Then it will probably be added.
Politics and the race for the White.
We close it and we'll come back here. Oh, it didn't show up. But anyways, here you can look at search for any show you want. And here's your profile, your notification settings. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.